with this 2015 Chrysler 200, and it is a great vehicle, super fuel efficient, and great features inside. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this bright blue exterior color, which I just love. Goes well with all of your chrome accents surrounding your grille there. You have your projector beam headlamps up front. And this is a 2.4 liter inline-4 engine, which can get you about 36 miles to the gallon on the highway. Then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. And then coming over to the side, this has a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And if you want to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's to see if it has it. And one of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Then looking down at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable and you have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, you have these black cloth seats. Love the pattern going down the inside, super comfortable. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your radio options on these pages above your presets. You can also hook up your own media devices, so if you want to listen to music off your phone, you can. Or you can connect your phone with Bluetooth to make and receive phone calls on those pages. You have a compass, and then your climate controls are right there with all of your settings and stuff on these pages. Then looking down, you have your climate controls just really easily laid out. And then down below, you have two cup holders here. This does fold back, and you have a 12-volt aux port and a USB port. And you have even more space in the back right there. And let's look at the back seats. Looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. You also have this cup holder armrest with a compartment there, and this folds down so you can reach into the trunk. So that's really convenient to have. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps back here and your 200 badging. And let's take a look into the trunk, which is massive. Tons of space back there. So overall, this Chrysler 200 is just a great vehicle, great college car, great any car, and it has that amazing gas mileage. And if you want to see it or any of our other sedans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees. There's no bait and switch. There's no shell game. This is the price. This is what it is.